Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to change your Windows username. Feel like a change? Here's how to change your Windows username. If you've recently changed your name, or you simply picked something hugely unprofessional when you first got your PC, then good news. You can find out how to change your Windows username. If you sign in with a Microsoft account, then you'll need to change your details in the cloud. Be aware that this will have a knock-on effect on any other software linked to the account, which can include the likes of Xbox, Skype, Office 365, and Outlook. Local accounts, however, are just for use on the PC you're amending, and changes won't be reflected elsewhere. In either case, here's how to change your Windows username to something better. Let's dive in. How to change your Windows username via your Microsoft account. Press Start, and then click Settings. On the window that pops up, click Accounts. It's the third option along in the second row. With your account displayed on the screen, press the hyperlink underneath your name labeled Manage My Microsoft Account. This will open a web page in your default web browser. Log in if prompted, and then select your info from the navigation bar along the top of the web page. Press the small text labeled Edit Name across from your full name. Enter the new name you want in the first name and last name fields, fill in the CAPTCHA, and press Save. Again, bear in mind this will change your name on anything you use a Microsoft account for, which can include Xbox, Skype, and Outlook. So think twice before picking something silly like I have in the demo. How to change your Windows username for local accounts. Open Control Panel by pressing the Start button and then typing Control Panel. Before you finish the first word, the option will have appeared, so click it. Select Change Account Type under User Accounts. Select the account you want to modify. Press Change the Account Name, the first option on the list. Type the account name of your choice. As Windows explains, this will only appear locally on your welcome and start screens, so you have license to be a bit more frivolous if you like. Click Change Name, and you're done. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.